I look at you and it's easy to see.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling the bedrooms, and I'm going to show you just a really quick snippet of kind of how I like to take care of the bedrooms. Usually Mondays I schedule the cleaning of the bedrooms. I wash out the bedding, I dust, I vacuum, I do some of the more intensive cleaning, and so you're going to see me here taking care of that. If you are new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Yessie, and I have an Instagram account where I teach people how to clean when they are dealing with depression, anxiety, or possibly an autoimmune disease that doesn't allow them to take care of it throughout the week. So if you're new, welcome, and yeah, let's get started.
You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun. Never thinking you would be my number one. My tongue, never thinking you would be my number one.
So here I like to just make sure that I'm also putting things back where they belong, because more often than not things pile up in certain areas. And so as I'm wiping this and cleaning this, I'm making sure that only the items that belong here stay here. And I recommend that you do this every time you clean the specific area, regardless of where you're at, because this will save you time when you are making sure something hasn't.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things things away. You're welcome, but I can't promise that you're gonna be out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise that you're gonna be out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss,
Okay, so I just got done with the master bedroom, and as you guys saw, I tried to do my dusting, my bedding, and then the very last thing was the vacuuming. And so if you have floors, do your mopping. I usually try to get the windows too, but I'm not doing those today. I just did those not too long ago, so they really didn't need it. I'm gonna move into the boys' bedrooms, and I have their bedding already washing, so that's gonna be done for tonight. I haven't done any dusting or vacuuming in a couple months, so oh my god, it's been a couple months. Yeah, so the last thing that I typically like to do, especially when people in our family, aka my kids, start sneezing, is having my husband clean the blades in the fan. All of our rooms have fans like this, and the blades can get very, very dirty. I cannot reach that, like, even if I wanted to. And so I just usually have him do it. So that's really the last thing that I want to make sure we get done. It usually lasts us a couple weeks before we have to do it again.